Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Beloeil local and long-distance movers near me. Are you trying to find a cheap Beloeil moving company for your local or long-distance move? 3 Movers offers the right options for your move, no matter where you need to go or how far you're moving. Get the best long-distance moving services to help make things easier with our services below: packing services, moving supplies, on-time move, and upfront pricing. We offer all the right long-distance moving services to help you get to your new location faster and easier. Our team of movers will make it easier on you, whether you're going 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even further. You can hire a Canada moving company to make your local move much easier. With the right movers, you won't have to attempt to lift your heavy items or do all the work that it takes to move. 3 Movers simplifies the process of moving locally. We know how to save you as much time as possible and how to make your move as easy as it can be. A move that might take you 3 days, we can do in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Beloeil moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.